stuff. I think this is the last section. I'd have to look to make sure, but I think that this is it for chapter 11. Okay. All we're doing with natural logs is changing the base. It's a special base. Okay. So first we want to remind you what a log is. What's the answer to log 100?
2.
2. Okay, what's the base of this? 10.
Oh, yeah, it's the exponent.
10 squared, correct? So the answer is the exponent. Okay, how about this one?
2.
Because that's 5 squared, right? Right. Okay. 1.
This one's, yeah, it'd be 3.
Yeah, because 27 is 3 cubed.
Yep.
There's your. Okay, so that's how logs work. Right there, the exponent of this number with that as the base. Okay. What would the answer to this be?
E3.
Yeah, there's your exponent. You remember what E is, just a number, correct? 2.718. Okay. That is what we call a natural log. Log base E. Okay, this is a natural log. Okay. And we write it like this. That will be an equivalent statement to what I wrote up there.
That's where the base, the same as
Okay. So remember with a common log, we don't write 10, correct? Okay, well, the natural log, you write ln. Okay, you don't write the base. This would imply that statement right there. So, I asked you a quick question. What is the natural log of E? 1, because the base is E, the exponent is 1, so there you go. Okay. And this is straight off that quiz we just had, right? That I didn't ask. I told you to not do these. Can you answer that? Why is that true? Let's go back to.
you go backwards.
How would you solve that equation with logarithms? What log base would you use? Yeah, so we have log base 3. Does that all get rid of these? What's the log at 1? Always. 0. Okay. So similar statement. Hold on. Let's start there. That's what I was trying to do. How you solve that equation? Yeah, log base E equal, what's that called? The natural log. Log base E is the natural log. Okay. These are pretty much identical problems. You just have a different log base. This is X, and that is still 0. Okay, this is just writing, again, this is an equivalent statement to that. Okay. Those are equivalent statements. We have a special statement for natural log because it's so common. The number E comes up all the time in finance and biology and all sorts of different applications for some reason. Okay. So that's a natural log is base E.
Yep.
Remember all this talk about inverses this chapter? Exponentials are inverses of what? Logs. Yeah. So what log base would be the inverse of each x? Yeah. Natural log. Base E. Right? Those are inverses. We use them to solve equations. What does that look like on the graph? And what u to the x looks like? What does a log look like? If this is 0, 1, what's the inverse going to have a point? 1, 0. Yeah, it works, I guess, right? There you go. There's log, natural log. It looks just, it's the same properties that you've been learning. We just have a different base and it just has a special name. That's all you're adding to your knowledge right now is natural log, is basically. Everything else still applies. Okay. Questions so far? That's all. What is a natural log? Okay. That's it. See if there are any questions. I'll show you. Solve an equation right now.
Okay.
Now solving equations with logs in them. This time it's a natural log. Those of you who will be gone tomorrow, we have about 15 of these problems we're going to do in class. Solving equations, just to practice it. Okay. You have to isolate the logs, so what's our first step there? They're multiplied, the inverse is? Right, there you go. I have no idea what that is. Anybody?
What do you add this simple sign?
Those are multiplied together now. Careful there.
Oh, hold on, I'm not sure. That was right. Negative 0.4.
Okay. What is he? Okay if other people are happy. How do I isolate x with a log? What's the inverse of a log? Exponential, this is base e, so power e, right? So that is now x, whatever that is. Okay, on your calculator there is a button for e.
I was close.
Stop it. So here's your natural log key, right? So if you need the natural log of some funky number, you have that. You don't have to do the log base or anything, it's just there. Okay? If you need e, it's the second function of the same button. E to the negative 0.4 in this question. What was it? 703. Bomb. 6, 7. Good enough. Okay? Again, same thing you've been learning, just a different name for a log in this case. You all right? Sorry, out of control. Yeah, right.
That's what he said, he's not.
How did you solve that equation? This is our last one. Hold yourselves together. I know you can do it.
No, it's just so what is that, x plus 2?
E to the power of x plus 2 equals 8. Again, how do you undo an exponential? Yeah, log, right? Okay, so natural log, because that's base e. So these cancel out, we get x plus 2 equals the natural log of 8. Natural log of 8 is
2.
not 2.
2.079.
Not a pretty number.
Oh, it's pretty close.
That depends on your definition of pretty close.
Did you divide that?
You are infinitely far away in the real numbers.
Oh, it's probably so.
Yeah, there are an infinite amount of numbers between that. Those two numbers. There you go. You okay with that? Again, that's what we're going to be doing tomorrow. All right? It's practicing. Oh, excited.
I'll be in study.
I'm going to do what you want.
You could like do this in the whole.
Let's go sit up early.
Just Tuesday, since a lot of you are going to be gone. Okay.
We got a Monday too, and then we put Tuesday. Here.